Okay, so here we've got a recipe question. So we've been given the ingredients to make 6 flapjacks. So this is what we need to make 6 flapjacks. And what we need to be able to do is scale up the recipe. So if we need to make 12 flapjacks or however many flapjacks, we need to know how to change the recipe for a different amount of people. So if this is for 6 people, so I'm going to write 6 people above it. Usually, a good trick is to write down what you need for half of that much. So if you write down how much you need for 3 people, so half the amount. So if I need this much for 6 people, I need half as much for 3 people. So 90 grams for 6, so half of that for 3. 100 for 6, half of that for 3, and half all of the ingredients. So that's how much I need for 3 people. So then when we're asked for 9 flapjacks, if we know how much I need for 6 people and how much I need for 3 people, that means I can just add them up. So because 6 plus 3 is 9, so for butter I need 90 plus 45, so 135 grams. Syrup, I need 100 plus 50, 150 grams. Sugar, 80 plus 40, 120 grams. And oats, 180 plus 90, 270 grams. And the second question we've got here is for 15 people. It might not be obvious straight away, but this is 6 people, 6 people again, and 3 people. So 2 of these plus this. So 2 6s is 12, plus 3 is 15. So what I need to do is I need to double this and add on 3. So I need 6 plus 6 plus 3. So if I double this, that's how much for 12 people. I write 12 people here and double the recipe. So 180 grams, 200 grams, 160 grams, and 360 grams. So this is how much I need for 12 people here. So 15 people, I do 12 plus 3. So 180 plus 45. So butter, 180 plus 45 is 225. Syrup, 200 plus 50, 250. Sugar, 160 plus 40, that's 200. So sugar, I need 200 grams. And oats, 360 plus 90, that's 450. So oats, I need 450 grams. Another way of doing this could be to work out what one person needs. So you could have said 1 person and divided all these ingredients by 6. This works especially well when you've got a calculator. So you can say, you can do 90 divided by 6, 100 divided by 6, 80 divided by 6, 180 divided by 6. So that you can work out how much you need for 1 person, and then you can times that amount by however many you need. So if I need 9 people, I take this answer and times it by 9. Because if you've got a calculator, this way's a lot easier. So they're kind of 2 different ways of doing it. So you can either work out for 1 person and then times it up, or you can half the recipe, double the recipe, and try and make the number you need. That's the only way to do it really when you haven't got a calculator. So here's another question. Pause the video and you try this one yourself. So here's the ingredients to make 10. So make 10 brownies. We need this. So try and make 15 and try and make 25. So give it a go, pause the video, and then I'll put the answer up after. Okay, so that was enough for 10. So let's write down how much we need for 5 and how much we need for 20. So let's get them written down. So 5 is half the recipe. So 35, 50, 1, 100, 25, and 15. So egg, grams, grams. So that's half the recipe for 5 people. 20 people's double the recipe. So 140, 200, 400, 100, and 60. So that's half the recipe, so that's 5 people, double the recipe, and that's 20 people. So from these two, we should be able to answer the questions, and yeah, we can. We've got 15 here. That's 10 plus 5. So 7. So chocolate, 70 plus 35, 105. Butter, I need 100 plus 50, 150. Eggs, 2 plus 1 is 3. Sugar, 200 plus 100 is 300. Just put the units there. Flour, 50 plus 25 is 75. And cocoa powder, 30 plus 15 is 45. And then for 25, we can do the 20 plus the 5. So chocolate, 40 plus 35, 175. Butter, 200 plus 50, 250. Eggs, 4 plus 1 is 5. Sugar, 100 plus 400 is 500. Flour, 100 plus 25, 125. And finally cocoa powder, 60 plus 15, 75 grams.